Hey everyone, welcome back to the Outdoor Food Project. Today, we're cooking a delicious fall-inspired dish, Cranberry Balsamic Pork Chops. This recipe is perfect for those cozy evenings with its rich flavors and that perfect balance of sweet and savory. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need: 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 1-inch pork chops, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of fresh cranberries, 1/3 cup of balsamic vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic, 6 sprigs of rosemary, 2 teaspoons of thyme leaves, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, salt and pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and the zest of 1 orange. We'll start off by prepping our pork chops with salt and pepper. Generously season both sides of your pork chop with kosher salt and pepper. Do your best to really push that seasoning into the pork chop. After you're done, let the pork chop sit for about 30 minutes at room temperature. We'll start prepping our herbs next. Strip the rosemary leaves off the rosemary branches. The branches are very thick and woody. Now for the thyme leaves. We'll pull the delicate leaves off the branches, much like the rosemary. Next, we'll finely mince 4 cloves of garlic. Now time to cook those pork chops. Dump 2 tablespoons of oil into a hot pan. Once the pan is hot and the oil is shimmering, carefully add your pork chops into the pan. We're going to let these sear on high heat for about 2 minutes till we get a nice golden crust. Now flip your pork chops and sear the other side for about 2 minutes. Look at that. That golden brown crust is going to add so much flavor and texture to the dish. When they are done, remove from heat and set aside. In the same skillet without cleaning it, we'll add 1/2 cup of fresh cranberries, 1/3 cup of balsamic vinegar, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now we'll zest 1 orange into the pan. Give your sauce a good mix, and we'll add our pork chops back into the pan. We'll scatter our fresh rosemary and thyme leaves around the pan. This adds that herbaceous flavor that will take the dish to the next level. Now cover your pan and we'll let it cook in that sauce for about 2 minutes. Flip your pork chops over and let it cook for another 2 minutes. the 2 minutes are up, remove the pork chops from the pan and we'll plate our dish. Now add 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan to create a nice, flavorful, velvety sauce. Look at that gorgeous color. The cranberries have softened, the sauce has thickened, and the pork chops are perfectly golden. Serve it warm and make sure to spoon that delicious sauce over the top. Perfect for fall and super easy to make. That balance of sweet cranberries and tangy balsamic is really something special. I hope you try this recipe out, and if you do, be sure to let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Really yummy. Super, super sweet.
It's really sweet and sour though. Really good.
Tender, flavorful, very good.